I will leave a parts list in the description. I'm driving it with FPV goggles. The GoPro is mounted onto the top of the tank to give better video quality. I selected the Abrams tank because of the flat spot directly behind the barrel. It's perfect to be able to mount a wireless camera. That gives you the ability to sight the gun in using the barrel. The transmitter is silicone glued to the side of the turret. The battery is just placed in that rack right behind the turret. The wireless camera is super glued to the barrel. There are two tie wraps glued on the right and left of the barrel. It's for referencing. With using the tie wraps, once you move the turret, you need to have a reference point so that the tank will drop straight. The wireless camera mounted directly to the barrel allows you to sight the gun in fairly accurately. The next view will be from the GoPro mount.